Uh, we are in the learning phase. We learn, we develop, we grow each other together. So every year, Atlassian around the world connect with their teammates, with their community to do good for their local communities. And Atlassians call this week as a week of good. In partnership with the Atlassian Foundation, Atlassian community have joined in making the holiday season brighter for the entire month of December. So, partnering with the One Tree Planted, Atlassian will be planting a tree for every RSVP and an additional four trees for every person who turns up to a community event in December 2024. That's five trees per attendee. So, as part of Atlassian Community's month of growth, every attendee for this event and every community event in December, Atlassian will be donating $10 with Atlassian Foundation and planting five trees with one tree planted. So we encourage all of you to get involved with the Atlassian Community's Month of Good and look forward to seeing our community come together and make this holiday season a brighter for everyone. With this, I invite Yogita, who is a online community leader and a trainer and YouTuber who has given numerous sessions, a lot for fan following. So I invite Yogita for your sessions and over to you, Yogita, for further introduction and the session.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let me share the screen and we will start with the session. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining the session on boost productivity and teamwork using Atlassian Suite. In this session, we will be covering Jira. There are various products, there are many tools from Atlassian. However, we will try to cover mainly Jira Confluence and Jira Service Management. So before we start the session and before we cover any other thing, let me share a few things like the use cases and examples which are included in this session are demonstrated on premium version of Jira and Confluence on cloud. And if you have any questions, you may ask in question and answer section, or maybe during the session also you can speak. But uh, even towards the end, we will have some time for question and answer. And here is a list of the products which are not included, which as due to the time limitation, I mean it is not possible to include all the products. Okay, all right. So my name is Yogita. I am experienced professional in various fields. I am certified train the trainer. I am also author of the book Agile Administration with Jira, and I am also certified Jira Cloud Administrator. And I have worked in the evaluation of Jira Agile and other tools also. And I work as a Jira trainer, and I also conduct some training which are related with HR. So once again, welcome to this session, and let me share a few things what we will be covering in this session. So we will start with a brief overview of the Atlassian Suite. So if you are, in case you are new to Atlassian products, so this will help you, and we will move to we will discuss about some of the features of Atlassian tools, key Atlassian tools, but I would not say that key Atlassian tools because all the tools are important and it has its own importance. We will discuss about some important features and then we will move to Atlassian intelligence related features. So, what are how Jira, how you can work productively in Jira Service Management, and how you can collaborate effectively as a team with the help of Confluence. So these are the main topics, and towards the end, I will also provide some important tips at the same time, so this is not just a presentation, but we have also included demo in between. So let us start. Here are some key statistics on Atlassian products. So globally, there are more than 3 lakh uh, 3 lakh teams who are using Atlassian tools. So this includes 200 plus countries who have companies using these tools, and this also includes 80% of Fortune 500 companies who are using the Atlassian tools. Now, okay, now this is a question to all of you. See, I am not seeing chat right now, but I this question is for everyone attending the session, that which Atlassian tools you are familiar with and use daily. You can answer this in chat, and Mr. Siddharth is there, so he can check it. Okay, all right. So let us move to next thing. So this is one more. You can say statistics, but it's not just. It is not only statistics. Recently, Atlassian is named a leader in 2024 Forrester Wave for knowledge management solutions. So this is really a big achievement, and for a Atlassian team. At the same time, I mean, we can, understand that how efficient are various tools like Jira, Confluence, and many other. Now, as per one more survey, Jira helps teams to collaborate while also assisting companies in reducing cost. So this is based on one of the again statistics which was found from a company called Roblox. Forrester also found that it helped to boost productivity overall $9.2 million with the help of Confluence as a main tool, and specifically for managers, it helped managers to increase productivity by an average of 7.8%. Okay, now overview of Atlassian Suite. So basically, what are Atlassian products? So if you want to understand that, so here in this slide, here it has been, the link has been provided, and you can access this atlassian.com/try, and then you can select products from this drop down, and you will see that there are various set of various products or tools which are helpful for various teams. So for if you click on product manager, so this is just a screenshot, but if you access it actually, you will see that there are various set of tools, and I will show you later on this also. So for product managers, you have product discovery. Similarly, for IT professionals, Jira Service Management, and all these tools can be combined with many other tools, and that helps overall to improve productivity and work in a collaborative way. Now, let us discuss a little bit about some important tools and then some of the features. Now, Jira is a world famous tool which is helpful to collaborate as a team. So Jira has what it provides. Jira has many features, right from, you can say, project managers or scrum masters can utilize scrum boards, kanban boards, and it has you can customize workflows. You can enter as a user, suppose you are managing tasks, so you can enter due date and some other details also. So you can enter priority. So by utilizing all this feature, Jira can help improve productivity and track also. You can remain self-organized with the help of Jira. So it could be any team. It is not only for software development team. Jira is for every team, and it has many different templates available for different kinds of business teams also. It is scalable, means so if I talk about number of users perspective, so it starts from 10 users to it can go up to multiple users and multiple teams. and accordingly you have many features. For example, you can utilize plans, and then you have Atlassian intelligence features, and there are many other things which are possible. Jira can be integrated with other Atlassian tools, and it can be integrated, and you can import a few, I mean, import some data from other tools also. So that is why Jira and Confluence both are quite important. It has very good reporting features. So it is not about only agile reports, but suppose you are a scrum master, project manager, or you are a developer, or any role you are doing. So suppose you are on board, so you are working on a board, so at that time it provides you some insights. So this is data driven insights, and based on that you can take decisions, you can prioritize things, and you can do some modifications in plans also. It has issue tracking feature right from beginning, and the important feature is you can automate things with the help of automation rules. Now let us look at some important feature in Confluence. So Confluence is it is again a tool which is helpful. Suppose your team are working as a global team. So real time collaboration you can do. So you can update things. You can also insert you can also insert loom. So by doing that, you are providing more information, and you can also collaborate effectively. That is the very important thing here. Then you have more than I would say 125 templates. So these templates are, it could be from right from, you can say, sprint planning, or it can be something related with say for example some other purpose. Say it is very basic thing, so you can say minutes of meeting. So there are many templates, and you don't have to customize, but if required you can also customize templates, so you can start quickly and work in that. It also has rich content creation. So it has various formatting options. At the same time, as I already mentioned, that you can add loom. So by doing so, this video can be inserted on Confluence page as well as at some other places also. Now you can consider Confluence as a library for your organization, but it is not just a library. It is much more than that. So it has a concept called space. So space is nothing but you can create a space for a particular project, and you can also create a space for any department. Now under the space you can create hierarchy, in which you can select various templates, you can create page, you can create blogs, and of course it has mobile app, so using which you can remain in sync with the team. Now whiteboards is again a wonderful feature, and it again Confluence, its integration with Jira is also wonderful, and you have other options available for the same. The next product which we are going to cover is Jira Service Management. So this is specifically for overall, I can say that service request management. It has various uh, templates for incident management, service request management, change management, asset management, and above all it has a wonderful feature. You can integrate it with Confluence, which allows to save agents time by accessing directly. So customers can access this knowledge base articles, and using that they can definitely, the problems can be solved with the help of, if you have provided enough information over there. And there are automations possible, and now with the help of Atlassian intelligence also, I mean, that gets multiplied. uh, and tool integrations, and recently, not recently I should not say, but it was introduced in 2023, AI powered virtual agent. So it can be used in its setup can be done in a different manner. So in this session I have I have taken one use case of getting Atlassian intelligence answer in virtual agent. I have done the setup and I will definitely demonstrate. But that is the third, I mean, last topic in this session. Okay, all right. So okay, one more tool, Loom. As I have already mentioned that Loom. So suppose you don't want to do, you don't want to go for very long meetings, and at the same time, we have to communicate the right information to hold the team. So for that purpose, so that is asynchronous communication. So Loom is available. I mean, it is, you can create a smaller video. I had tried it this year, and it is really interesting. You can create videos, you can edit videos, and it is very easy to do. And the video script, from the video script, you can remove the filler words. So that is also very easy to do, and it is compatible with desktop and mobile also. And additionally, you can your team members, they can provide feedback on videos also. So now moving on. Okay, now this is a question again. In which Atlassian tools can the AI feature be activated? You have four answers, so you can provide your answer A, B, C, D. Uh, I hope you are able to view the screen, everyone here.
Yes, Sugita, everyone is able to see the screen and they have also answered.
Okay, great. Thank you. Sure. Okay, now moving to next topic, AI enhanced productivity in Jira. So we will start with Jira, and then we will go to Confluence, and then there are few use cases in Jira Service Management. So now here on the screen, you can see that this is the list of AI features in Jira, and here there are somewhere I mean, at some places it is mentioned that the features are in beta. So we will go through these features, and then I will also demonstrate how to create more breakdown structure in Jira, and there are some basic things. So to start with, you can search for issues using natural language. So this is one of the interesting feature, as if someone is new to Jira and they don't know how to write queries, so Jira query using JQL. So this is really helpful. Then you can write descriptions. You can write descriptions. Say, for example, you have created a story or any type of task. So you can write descriptions. So it can generate content. It can edit. With the help of AI in Jira, you can improve writing, and you can definitely change the tone. Then you have something called a defined word. So it has mentioned that it is in beta. Now this data I have taken from one of the official Atlassian support document, and I have provided the link toward in the last few slides also. So in case if required, you can. So there is a document called I think its name is Explore Atlassian Intelligence Features. So that list actually all the features in Jira, then Confluence, and all the other products from Atlassian, not only Jira or JSM, etc. It covers everything. So you can, and it gets updated, so you can refer that document as and when it is required. So what is available and what is not possible, so everything. So you can also reformat Jira issue descriptions and generate a list of suggested child issues. This is one feature which is coming up in Jira. So reference Jira tickets in prompts. Now this is one use case. So this is the same thing which I discussed, that I have mentioned this query in very simple language. So suppose I am new, and with the help of AI, I want to search something from Jira. So you can provide a list of all issues in progress and priority in medium, and it generates the Jira query language. Uh, but you can also use it in basic mode. So it has provided all the results. Now moving to next use case. So in this use case I have this is one epic. uh, Epic is created, but it doesn't have any details right now, so even you can see that there is no description also. So under this epic now I can add description with the help of AI. In addition to that, if I click on add, and then it will suggest child issues. So it can suggest child issues like this, and then I can change the type from this place, and I can if I want to accept all this, I can do it. Otherwise, I can remove some of the task, and then finally I can again suppose I consider this as I convert it to story type, so that I can using this drop down I can make those changes also. Now you can write automation rules in Jira using natural language. So this can be done either by your Jira administrator and project administrator. So for a particular project, project admin can do it. So you have to go to this templates area. So Jira has this templates, ready-made templates available. So if you are familiar with this, you can select this templates, ready-made templates. In addition to that, if you want to create something new, so here I have tried very simple rule. When all subtasks are done, transition the parent to done. Now you can preview the rule once it is generated. So this is the rule which was created, and these are different components. So this is the trigger, and branching has been done, and then it checks for this condition. So once the rule is created, you can definitely check all the things. So by clicking on each and every component, you can verify that, okay, is this as per our requirement? And then you can turn on the rule. Similarly, I have created one more rule. When a bug is created, assign it to project lead. So the good thing is you don't have to even to write Atlassian automation rule. AI is helping us, and if you want to try some advanced rule, you can do that also. But whenever you are doing it, it is recommended to basically to check each and every component, and if you want to modify anything, you can do it. Okay. Now content generation in Jira means you can what you can do is you can write descriptions, and then you can modify it as per your requirement. So let us move to Jira instance. In this, now I would like to demonstrate how to create work breakdown structure. And so this we are in one of the projects over here, and we will select one of the issues in this. So let us select this is transaction processing. We can select any one. Okay. Okay, let us move to issues. And so there are, I want to basically, okay, before that, let us do one use case of how to create. So suppose I want to, I can write a query over here that, say for example, find all epics in, which is in this project. Let us see what it provides in this project. So I'm not sure what it will. So project, it has taken this banking application, right? So it has generated the result. Now out of this, we will take one of the epic, and under that, using Atlassian intelligence, we will try to create the child issues. So here we do not have any description right now available. So we can create description here with the help of AI. So we can say that, okay, write. So you can also provide simple small prompts also. So it is not able to, okay. So you can write description here, right? Just a second.
So Yogita, Piyush has asked question that which AI tool is basically integrated with Jira tool.
Not getting, sorry, which,
AI tool is integrated with Jira tool.
so so you are asking about, so it is basically OpenAI's tool, and using that, it generates this the response. Sorry. Okay, if I want to add child issues over here, now under this, if I want to convert this to some other task, say for example, I want to make this a story, and I don't want to keep all the tasks. So I can accept all this task, and later on I can also convert. So this way I have created this sorry, child issues. In addition to that, you can convert, you have this functionality from this. So here it is saying that improve issue description, but here there is no description right now. Summarize comments is also possible. I will show you this in Jira Service Management. I have done this because if you don't have comments available, it will not be able to summarize. And it can also suggest child issues from by clicking over here. Now once the story is created, so under the story again, so here see, it generates the description over here. So it generates. Now in addition to that, you can do multiple things which normally all the with the help of general, I mean, AI tools which we are doing. Now again, if I want to add some subtask under this mm, story issue type, I can do it with the help of suggest subtask, and it suggests some subtask. So usually we have to do this manually, and we can do this with the help of Atlassian intelligence, and it creates uh, the relevant uh, task based on whatever. Suppose this is design transaction processing module, so it has created some relevant subtask, but it is possible that this is not relevant. You can remove it, and you can also create some few more manually if required. And it has other things also like brainstorm feature, etc. So with the help of that also you can try few more things. So this was all about AI features in Jira. Now we will move to our we will look at some features in Confluence. So in Confluence, you can, again, you can generate content, you can edit content, and you can of course improve writing. And there are many other options. So this is, again, this list has been taken from the same document. So these are various features. So you can summarize pages, page comments, and blogs. So all these things you can, it will provide you the summary. Then there are some features which are in beta, and you can create rules using natural language. You can create actions in templates and components. So this is the list of coming up AI features. However, there are few features which I will be able to demonstrate here. So there is something interesting. I have tried to convert a I have tried to create a simple whiteboard, and there are only other features also I will demonstrate. So you can brainstorm ideas from Confluence pages. Okay. Now you can convert a page into Jira tickets also. So so all these features, some of the features I will definitely demonstrate over here. So content generation is definitely available in Confluence. So these are some of the use cases we will try. So you can search in Confluence, summarize changes, summarize content, summarize comments, create Jira issue from the page. You can also change the tone. You can write action items, proofread content. Acronyms are also possible, and so this is one use case which I have tried. Create a page for onboarding, and for all the organizations it can be done. And now AI work creation is also available. So moving on to next few slides, this is about few automation rules which I had created earlier. So this is a very simple rule. Say for example, you want to create multiple 3 pages, publish new pages whenever a space is created. So as per your requirement, you can select those pages, and you can even customize this, I mean make changes to this rule. So create essential pages when a space is created. So this is definitely helpful to increase the productivity. Now this is one more rule, which is a very simple: publish recurring meetings notes page. So as per your requirement, you can schedule, and you can publish new pages. So these rules may be not quite relevant as per your requirement, but these I have tried to create for demo purpose only. Okay, now let us try see some of the features which are there in Confluence. So in Confluence, what we will do is we will try to open some of the documents over there here. I mean, it's these are not just documents. There are few blogs, and there are other things which I have created. So this is for onboarding process guide. In addition to that, there are few more documents which I had created earlier, so that we can just check it. So this is a glossary. Okay. So okay, this is onboarding process guide for new employees. So for each and every organization, this is a document which is generated, but what happens is, suppose any employee is joining, and he or she wants to access some material for, say for example, for Jira and Confluence. So what you can do is you can put the required information over here, and so that document also I have created here, but I am not able to find it right now. Anyway, in addition to that, I have provided a link to this particular document. Now, here there are some features which you can see here. So when I hover over this link, see, you can see that summarize with AI. So you can summarize with AI. Now let us see what it does. So will it provide summary for this? Okay, AI features in Jira and Confluence, right? So that way, see this, we are not on this page, but it is providing us the summary with the help of Atlassian intelligence. So do you find this interesting feature? Yes or no? Please write in the chat box, or you can speak also if required. So how do you find this feature? Is this interesting or not? Are we getting some replies?
No, I don't think, but I definitely find this feature really interesting and really helpful because there are many things that we can do.
Yeah,
And when there are long pages, it is very difficult to share. And when you need to immediately get anything, this feature has really helped us.
yeah, correct. So now here I have created a glossary of some common acronyms in HR and software development. But this is not limited to HR and software development. I have also added few for some, I think these are for marketing related things, right? So similarly, so why I have done this? Suppose I am on some other page and I want to find out the meaning of anything. Say for example, this is one more page I would like to open here. So on this page, suppose I highlight this and I want to find out, I want to find out the meaning of PR. Define. So I want to find out the definition of this thing. So just a second. So this is related with acronym. It is not able to generate somehow. Okay, now it is doing right. So likewise, suppose at your organization, if you have a glossary or if you have defined some short form, so that can be helpful to anyone who is there at your organization, and they can find the meaning of everything. Additionally, there are many other features. Say, for example, there are basic features are already there. So let me demonstrate few things over here. So let us check it from this place. So let us see. Okay. So one thing. Okay. So it can summarize pages. So that we have already checked. Uh, you can summarize changes. So right now. We have not done any changes. So so whatever changes you have done on a page, so it is saying that there are no changes done right now. Okay. And very interesting thing, this is recently added feature, create Jira issues. So this is something like create work based on this page. So whatever content is here, so this document is for blog. But suppose you have a document which lists all the planning related. So suppose you have done a sprint planning meeting, and in that you can even I have not tried that feature, but you can just select a particular text, and based on that you can create Jira task directly. So if you see here, it is generating, fashion intelligence is generating various tasks based on whatever content has been mentioned on this page. And you can edit this while creating, right? So you can directly create Jira tasks directly from the page. You can create Jira issues, and here you can edit issues on from here itself. So suppose I want to change the issue type, and then I can edit things right from this place. So this is also one of the feature which I like it. Now, okay, let me show you few more things and some basic features also we have not visited over here. I mean, we have not checked. Okay, here, okay. So this is one document. This is a template basically for sprint planning meeting. Now, as such, you can create any type of. So we can go to edit mode first, and then few basic things I would like to. So what I can do is. So this is a standard template. Okay, why? So with the help of Atlassian intelligence, see these are the options. So you can change tone. So right now we have not created any blog or anything description, but you can change tone. You can summarize writing. You can improve writing, fix spelling and grammar, and you can make it shorter, longer, and above all, suppose does it allow, let us check it translate to. So let us check it for, I select Spanish. So if as we all are working, I mean most of us have to work many times as a global team, so it can convert the content in some other language as per the selection, right? So if you want, you can replace it, and here there is also an option to refine. So okay, so here right now it is not required, and let us discard this it for the time being. But okay, now one more thing which I would like to show you over here is okay, let me check whether it is possible here or not. There is something called find action items. So this is also wonderful feature. So from that page itself, it finds out it lists the action items. So if you have already some action items which are mentioned over here, so based on that, it can find action items from this page itself. So these are some basic features and interesting features uh, from with the help of Atlassian intelligence. Now, okay, I would like to show you something, and so we will create a whiteboard. And quickly, I would like to demonstrate few basic things. So in the whiteboard, so with the help of uh, okay, I will select this one, and suppose uh, I want to brainstorm some idea. So I will say that uh, I want to plan for an event. So I want to create task for an event, right? So I have provided some idea. Now based on this idea, you can generate similar things. So what is basically the use case is you can do brainstorming, and there are many other things, there are many other features on the whiteboard. But with the help of Atlassian intelligence, I can generate similar ideas for this particular thing. And you can generate, multiple people can do as a team on the whiteboard. So it becomes very helpful, it is very helpful for everyone. Now I can insert this, and I can also group related ideas, right? So it does grouping for us, and after that you can also create Jira issues. So as you can see, it has grouped similar ideas from this. And okay, so I would like to show you the ready-made whiteboard which is already there, right? Okay, uh, you can also summarize this page. So whatever, see here there are not enough ideas. This is for demo purpose only, but it is providing us the summary of this whiteboard. And this summary, you can also create a page from this summary, right? You can create a page. Let us create it right now, and I will show you one more whiteboard which I have already created. So from this summary, over here it will show you, it will provide you the link from where it was created. So, how it can be helpful? There are two. Okay, I have created one more here. So, this is for one banking application. So, this is for demo purpose. It is possible that this may not be helpful for everyone, but so it has created some, you can say it has created some module type of thing, and then you can create Jira issues after selecting some of the issues. So you can create one Jira issue, or you can also create multiple so group of issues, and then you can, so it will allow you to create three Jira issues, and you can also group related. So these are some of the features which are useful, and I find it quite interesting. So that is why I thought that I should share with everyone. And I had created this epics from this place itself. So these epics were created in the banking application in Jira. So it was not created right from in Jira itself. It was created from the whiteboard. So these are the epics which were created. I hope you find this helpful, these features, right? Okay, so I hope I have not missed anything on the whiteboard functionality. Now moving back to our presentation. Um, so here we have some other features in Jira Service Management. So in JSM as such, you can simply compare it with Jira. That okay, you can create content, you can improve writing, you can change tone, you can get summary of an issue's details, and on the comment, it will provide you the summary also. In JSM also you can create rules, and this feature is also functioning. So for customer sentiment, you what you have to do is just activate this feature by going to feature on in the project settings area, and there are many other features which are mentioned over here, which is in beta. And so I will not be able to demonstrate each and everything here, but a few things I have tried and I would like to demonstrate. Atlassian Intelligence answer in uh, Jira Service Management. So before we move to, so this is the list of coming up AI features in JSM. Uh, And okay, so again, similar to Jira and Confluence, you can go to template section and you can create rules with the help of Atlassian Intelligence. And definitely you should check whether it is as per your requirement or not. Okay, this is one use case. So I have taken few screenshots so that I can show you maximum number of features. So this is one use case that you want to create a request. So you can go to this create request types and you can mention that okay, what your team is working. So suppose I say my team is working on learning and development and create training material, and I click on create using AI. So till now, before AI, we used to create request types like this, either from template or we can create it blank uh, request. So AI will do based on whatever input you are providing. AI will provide you the various service request suggestion, and then you can select one of this, and it gets created. Similarly, it also suggests fields. So once there are already created request types, and if you go to this request form, it also allows to yeah, it will suggest some fields. So this I had already done, and so it is a screenshot of that, the same thing. And okay, summarize comments in Jira Service Management. So simply go to this comments in one of the, so this is one request type which is laptop screen broken, right? Now I can go to comments, and suppose there are so many conversations, so I don't have to read everything at the same time. I can just click on summarize, and here you can see that it has provided all the conversation, summary of all the conversation, and the ticket number also. It has also provided the ticket number which was raised. Uh, Okay. Now, okay, I will try to demonstrate this AI answer so that we have some time left for, and then we will move back to, I mean, come back to this presentation area. Okay. So this is one project in which I have tried to. mm, this is one of the project. So this is ITSM sample project. So how many of you are familiar with? Have you tried all these things in Jira Service Management? Anyone of you? Anyone here?
Not many people have used JSM because
Oh,
when in the initial questions on we I just saw a couple of people who use JSM.
okay, okay. So in JSM, actually, if you want to do some settings in virtual service for virtual service agent, so what you have to do is go to project settings. Suppose you are in this project, so ITSM sample space, and in ITSM sample space, okay, you can go to project settings, and under that, what we wanted to do is we want to do some modifications for basically we want to activate over here. So there are two things. One is you can use intents, but depending on time I will try to cover intent part. But to activate AI answers is very easy. You can try that by simply, so by default this setting is kept off. You can just make it on using AI answers, and you can simply check this functionality in virtual agent provided. So what is the use case? Let me explain. So if you have some documentation like article etc available, which is configured, I mean, as you all know that you can integrate it with Confluence, and there is some information, there are some articles etc available in Confluence. So AI will, so the virtual agent will can access it directly from that place. You have to try multiple things over there. So you can ask question as a customer. So this is okay. This is ITSM sample space only, and see here I have activated this. So as I have activated, I mean I have toggle is made on, so it will provide you this chat with virtual agent, right? Virtual. So I can click on here, I click over here, and I can ask questions. So now as a customer, I have a question that, okay, I will say that I am not able to access Confluence, right? I am not able to access Confluence, and I press enter. So it will provide you some answers. So first of all, it will provide you greeting message. So this is by default, you are getting it. Now it is trying to find out some documentation from Confluence. So there are some articles, but there are some settings to be done which are very important, and that I have included in the presentation itself. So you have to basically properly set up uh, your project with that particular Confluence space, and permissions, there are some specific permissions. So there is a standard document also provided by Atlassian. So it is providing, so as a customer it will provide to the customer that, okay, you should go through these steps, and then okay, did this resolve your issue? If I say yes, and let us check. So this will save, basically it will save the actual agent's time, right? So it will help save agent's time. So this is very small thing, and I have tried some templates which is related with, which are related with intents also. uh, so there is something which is already configured, but we would not like to cover everything. Ideally, we should have a separate session for Jira Service Management also. So let us move back to this. So here there are some settings which are mentioned here, okay, in this slide. So as I told you that there are two settings. One is you have to set the proper permission so that service project users can access those articles, and so there is a setting for that. And okay, and in addition to that, you have to activate Atlassian intelligence answer. so that virtual agent will be able to provide answer in the portal. Now, okay, this is same thing which I have already discussed. Okay, work breakdown structure we have done. Now, few more slides and we will conclude the session. So, okay, can anyone share how can you write prompts and best practices? Because all of us are quite familiar with AI nowadays, right? So these are there are two examples which I have taken. So this is okay, create a new page. So if you ask any AI tool, so as most of you know that, I mean, all of us know that it is vague and it lacks context. So what you have to provide, you have to provide either you have to provide details. What is the job to be done? What is the format to be followed? So in the last example, create a new page for the project update meeting, include the agenda, participants, and action items from the last meeting. So this may be the a prompt to be provided for Confluence. So these are some do's and don'ts for prompts. This is one sample prompt which I have included over here. And okay, this is one more prompt for Scrum Master that provide a concise summary of the key takeaways from the retrospective and format the output as a bullet list highlighting the main points discussed, action items, and any identified areas for improvement. Now, in last few slides, I have also provided. So this is the document where all the features which are there and which will be available. That list is provided. Explore Atlassian intelligence features. And to understand about each and every product's AI features, you have this links. Okay. So thank you everyone for attending this and listening to me. I hope it will be little bit, it should be helpful to you. And if you want, you can connect with me if you have anything related with Jira, Confluence, or Jira Service Management. Thank you once again. And let us, okay, I will stop sharing the screen. Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Yovita. I think people had couple of questions like, but they were not related to directly AI. Like Anil have asked how to capture actual efforts and of all team members and how to create dashboard. That's not related to this session. So I've asked him to, we can schedule another session for that, how we can create dashboards. People have asked how these AI features can be accessed. So I think every enterprise customers have this on the cloud. We have already responded to that. And so
So no questions. Any question? Okay.
nothing is specific questions. Just uh, people have written great sessions and they have moved.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for attending this session.
Okay, so thanks everyone. And before we move ahead, I'll just share that thanks for contributing to Atlassian Community's Month of Good. So people who have joined on their behalf, Atlassian would be donating $10 towards the community development, and 5 trees would be planted on behalf of every attendee who have joined these sessions. So keep joining the sessions, keep making the changes to the community.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks for your time.